Bitcoin day trading and how to make money by trading cryptocurrencies on a daily basis. Now, I'm gonna guys show you how you can possibly trade when you see a big market crash on Bitcoin and how to possibly take advantage of it so you can make money by trading the ranges on Bitcoin. So here we have the Bitcoin chart on a 50-minute time frame, and I press play, and here is when the Bitcoin price action crashed. And you can clearly see that there's a huge movement in Bitcoin's price action and a lot of people got stopped out. This is clearly a breakout of a range into a new range, and let's let it play for a little bit. This is obviously going to be you, and you're going to be in live action now watching this right now, and this is exactly how I'm going to guide you to make money by just watching this range right now. So clearly right now on Bitcoin, we can see that we have found support here, right? So we mark out the lowest candle of this, and this is where there's some sort of support because that's our last candle close. And as well as the candle close here on the top, that's where there is some sort of resistance, and people are selling on this line right here. Okay, so this is our range that we are playing in, and we're going to watch out for Bitcoin's price action in the future to see whenever these boxes get touched in the future, will people be selling or will they be buying, and etc. Right? So let's let it play and see what the price action will say to us. So as you guys can see right now, Bitcoin is starting to see some resistance on this line right here. People are selling, the price went below. So right now, if you did take a trade on that, you would be in profit. Now, let's take a trade first right now, guys. So let's make out the short position and let's put our trade there. SL will be above this high right here, and we are marking out a trade for the range low, which is right here. Let's see if this plays out. So there you go, you have a winning trade on Bitcoin, and this is a 3.9 hour return, which is basically a 4 hour, which means if you put in 1K, you get 4K back. It's easy as that. Now, moving on. So we said, guys, before this is a range trade, and we can see the price action has gone below our line, and we do not like this. So clearly we are waiting for a deviation to form, which is something like this, where price action will take place and then go back in, and it will retest and go hit this next range high once again. This is basically a tactic that a lot of people do when they are scared. They think we're going to go much below because we broke this range, and then they get trapped, right? The short position get trapped out and they get stopped out because it's a liquidity in the markets. So right now, guys, we are waiting for the confirmation to re-enter back into the same range, and then we will target again at this range high. Let's see what happens. So there you go, we are now back in the range. So this is where we'll enter a trade where we're going to be making a long position now instead, and we'll target the range highs, and SL will be below this. This is going to be a 1 hour trade, which means you put in 1K, you get 1K back. And there you go, simple as that. Now, we didn't actually hit this line, but most likely you will mark it out just because it can make sure that you do get the successful trade. And then you have 5 hour trade. That's 5K you made now in literally 1 day. Now let's move on and let's see how else we can make money by this trading this range. Now, once again, we have a candle close on the exact line. So what we'll be doing is making a long position for Bitcoin, and we'll target the range high once more. And then SL will be on this line right here. So that's going to be a 2.hour turn. Let's see if that's a successful trade. And there we go, another trade. That's 7 hours, that's 7K, that's 7 bands we've literally just made by day trading Bitcoin on a day. Now, with something like this, you can see now that we have actually gone past that high, and we are showing clear strength that we want to be breaking out of this range. So as you can see, this is our box that we are trading in. So when the box gets retested, I'll be making a trade on long position to enter these highs right here. So there we go, the price has gone much below our line, but we're going to enter a long position because now we have some sort of strength coming in now. Our stop loss will be on this line right here, which means it's going to be an 8 hour trade, 1K equals $8,000. Let's see if this plays out on Bitcoin, guys. And there you go, that locks in another 8 hour trade for us, which means we made 15K today just by trading day ranges and confirmation of breakouts. It's easy as that.